Welcome to my YouTube channel. ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI, a leading artificial intelligence research organization. ChatGPT uses a deep neural network architecture called a transformer to process and generate natural language text. ChatGPT was trained on a massive amount of text data from the internet, which includes books, articles, and websites, allowing it to understand and generate text in multiple languages. ChatGPT's responses are generated based on probability and pattern recognition, which means it can sometimes produce surprising or unexpected results. ChatGPT is constantly learning and adapting based on user feedback and new data, which helps it improve its performance and accuracy. ChatGPT has been used for a variety of tasks, such as language translation, content generation, and question answering. ChatGPT has achieved significant milestones in the field of natural language processing, including being able to generate human-like text with a high level of coherence and grammaticality. ChatGPT is one of the most advanced language models available, with several versions and variations, including GPT-2, GPT-3, and more. ChatGPT's technology has been used in various applications, including chatbots, virtual assistants, and language-based games and tools. ChatGPT's potential applications in fields like education, healthcare, and business are currently being explored and studied by researchers and developers. Thanks for watching.